How to fix Instagram live screen not working. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update your Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the top, you will see the search box. Go there, type in the app name Instagram and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this, launch your Settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, open this option iPhone Storage, make sure you have enough storage in your device. Likewise, head towards the app Instagram, open it, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app, then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, you can head back to the main page of settings. Now scroll down and head towards the app Instagram. Once you find it, open it. Make sure you have enabled for the option of microphone and camera. If you have already enabled for it, you can just disable it. Wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and again toggle it on. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you are still encountering the issue, what you have to do is launch your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the profile page. At the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Different options will appear. Scroll all the way down. Head towards the option of Help. Click on the option of Report a Problem. Click on Report without shaking. Click on Include and Continue. Now over here you have to explain about your issue that live screen is not working and then send it. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily fix Instagram live screen not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.